So here's where I generally struggle, which is in the folds and stuff. So I've got his sleeve here, so I know that that's going to be dark in there. So I'm just going to lay that. Oh, no, wait, what did I say I was going to do? Oh, I'm a ninny. I said I was going to do Josephine Green, didn't I? Oh. Anyway, it's red now. Okay, so when it comes to the ripples, because we've got some lines in here, and now if I took the ripple of my cardigan here, just so you can see it. So I've got one ripple here and I've got another ripple here, but you can see that it is darker on one edge, it's darker on this edge, it's darker on this edge, and then it's darker on this edge, and then it's lighter on one side. So I am going to assume that if he's tucked in under here, under his armpit, he's going to have ridges in here as well. So I am going to do a little bit of dark red in there, and then I'm going to leave it on the lighter side, and then I'm going to do another little bit of a dark, and then perhaps another little bit of dark area here. So being that this is such a big area, it's going to be a little bit tricky, and it's going to be a little bit dark in there where it comes between, and then perhaps a little bit dark, and then a little bit dark as well. And then this area in here will be a little bit darker